On June 11, ang directive nila, magpapasa kami nun ng articles of impeachment, then they should also constitute themselves formally as an impeachment court. In fact po, ma'am, ang stand po namin, as soon as we transmitted the articles to the Senate, they were already constituted as an impeachment court. Dahil ito po ay nakalagay sa Ligang Batas. They are mandated to conduct trials. So siguro yung formality ang sinasabi nila na to constitute themselves as an impeachment court, ibigay na natin sa kanila yon, but they have to do that. And at the rate that things are going, siyempre madaming nagsasabi na they will probably further delay it. And ayan na nga po, nakita natin na may draft resolution po sila.
Bilang miyembro po kayo ng prosecution panel, meron po ba kayong magagawa or meron po ba kayong balak gawin to push the case forward?
Sa totoo lang po kami, we're ready to start trial. We're just waiting for them. And I understand that the senators are floating the idea that someone has to bring the case to the Supreme Court. Siguro to maybe, siyempre pag inakit mo sa Supreme Court yan, lalong madedelay yung proseso. And kumbaga parang pinapasa nila ang ball back to our court. Well, if push comes to shove or we have no recourse but to file something before the Supreme Court, we may do that. But of course, hindi pa naman ho talaga na pag-uusapan yan kasi there's no issue that has to be brought before the Supreme Court now.